What is going on, everyone? My name is Paul. I go by the Smrtman, and in today's video we actually have the smart car back in the vlogs. So without further ado, let's get this day started. So today's video is going to be nice and short and sweet. We actually have my purple smart car in the vlog today, and we have a little bit of an upgrade coming for the vlog today. All right, so in the car here we have a bag. What we're looking for is this. This is a $30 LED light, so it's one of the cheapest lights you can find. It is specifically a spotlight, and we are going to install it on the smart car. I'm excited to see how well this thing lights up, and I also think it'll look pretty cool here on my little smart car. To install this light, I'm going to need a couple things. So I obviously need a drill, a level, because I guess I need to level it, and I also need this light bar wiring kit. Now they show some fancy off-road vehicle, but you know, the smart car is more than capable of off-roading. As you guys know, I've taken this car off-roading multiple times, and it fared pretty well. Yeah, it's still broken. So the reason I'm installing this cheap light bar kit is because I went to Harbor Freight Tools. It's known for being very cheap, and there's some interesting stuff there. But I would like to see how long this light bar actually lasts. So in total, I spent $26 on the wiring kit and $29 on the light itself. So the total is going to be $60.40. So yeah, $60 mod to the car, so it should be pretty cool, I think. All right, so there are a couple places I thought about installing this light bar. The first one being right up top. There's this little, I don't know, wind thing and a spider right there. You guys see that? Look at that spider. There's this little wind thing there. I thought about drilling into the frame, but that is part of that whole safety cell, and I'm not sure if I want to have that light poking up top. I'm not sure how much noise it'll make with the top down. So my other option is looking at the front of the car. I can either put it down below, in the grill, or on the hood. Now, I don't have any badging on the hood, so I think that I'm gonna install it right in the middle of the hood. Plus, it'll make it an easy install. Just drill right into the hood, and I don't care because I looked up my Kelley Blue Book on this car, and well, drilling into a smart car is not gonna hurt me financially anymore. So let's go ahead and install this light bar. Let's do it right in the middle of the hood. I think it's gonna look killer. Also, side note, shout out to my buddy Bill, his nice little Acura RSX right there. Let's go ahead and unbox this light bar. So you guys are sitting right next to the spider on the car. This is the light bar I'm gonna install, and I've actually never looked at it, so I don't even know if it's any good. Styrofoam, don't litter. Put it right under here. Instructions, who needs those? Where's some brackets, and we have the light itself. So this is the light. It feels pretty durable, actually. It's really heavy, and this is like solid metal on the back part, and it feels really solid. My only concern is that water is going to get in this lens, but I think it's going to work out. It says it's waterproof, water resistant, so it's even submersible, so we'll see. As I had mentioned previously, I'd off-roaded this car, and well, I broke a lot of stuff on it. The radiator support's still cracked. This whole front bumper is still held together by zip ties, and well, I lost a couple of these plugs that hold the hood on, so my car, it comes forward, whereas most people, this piece just comes fully off, and I have like a hinge down here made of yeah, it's just a shit box. That's what it is. There's actually some dots right here. I think this is a perfect spot to drill in and mount the light, and it should be centered. I would do the math, but I'm going to trust my German manufacturer, Mercedes-Benz, aka Smart in the US, and hope that this is centered. You guys know me, I never think ahead, so I didn't bring an actual drill bit, so I'm going to use a drywall screw. I know this is getting bad quick, and I'm just going to drill. Alright, that was so scary. There's a bunch of screws. I'm assuming the big screw is going to be the one that goes through this teeny tiny hole that I just drilled. So I'm going to have to make a couple more holes since I only have a drywall screw. So yeah, let's keep going. A screen on the side. You have to fit into the screen though. So you might have to crouch down. There you go. So this is the hole that I had to fit the connector, and I didn't feel like splicing the cable. But so far, I mean, it's centered. And then on the back side, I just have the cable coming through, and I just got to hook it up to the battery and install the whole wiring kit. But so far, light bar is looking pretty nice, centered in the middle of the headlights. All right, you guys, I think it is finally installed. It took triple the amount of time, as always with any car mod. I installed the switch in the glove box itself. I know it's a mess in here. And then it comes down, and this little cord right here attaches to the batteries, which is very dirty under there. But it's the moment of truth. Let's see if this pops on. Yes, we got light. All right, and let's see. Oh, yes, there she is. We got a spotlight. I hope it lasts a long time because I actually like how it looks. But if it does last, I mean, this is a good deal. I mean, $30, you can't beat it. Might as well. This is gonna be great for when I am carving those dark canyon roads at night in the smart car, which I have a trip planned soon with the smart car, so I'm super excited about that.
Holy shit. I'm afraid he's gonna hit that, whatever that is over there. Holy moly. Yeah, not the best idea.
You shouldn't drift a smart car because I came around this corner and, well,
yeah,
it locked up and oversteered.
Always up to something.
It's an off-roading smart car now. I have a light.
Poor smart car. What do you keep doing to it?
I smell rubber burning. So you can see all the times I went around here and almost hit these two concrete barriers, which is really sketchy. So a poor little smart car, I abused it. I cannot drift this car no matter how hard I try. The only time I'm able to is when it snows or when it rains and the tires are really, really wet. So I nearly crashed just after spending nearly 2 hours installing a light bar. So that would have been a waste of time. We were spared about 2 or 3 inches before we crashed this car. So, whew, that was sketchy, really sus right there. So we're headed home. And we're gonna finish up this vlog, but today was a success. The little gearbox of the smart car does not know what to do because it was just attempting to drift. And so it's all bugged out. But normally with a couple cycles of the transmission, it normally just reteaches itself. But these cars are notorious for having issues with their little, tiny, terrible gearboxes. All right, we're coming out of the Fort Pitt Tunnel, the best view in all of Pennsylvania. Boom, there's Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Once it gets a little darker, I'm gonna show you guys the new light on the smart car. I think it's gonna brighten up the entire place. It is a spotlight, not a floodlight, so maybe it'll be a little more focused. I'm not sure the difference between them though. Turn off, on. And we'll turn on the headlights. There you go. Off, on. Crazy. So this spotlight is really cool, but it's awfully blinding to people. So I won't ever drive it on like the highway or anything like that. Oh, it's awfully, woo! Wow, that is a bright light. We got the light over here. Cody, cue up the light. You can see my shadow over there. Wow, that is a bright car. All right, so this vlog is over. Man, this makes for excellent vlog lighting, I'm gonna say. Anyways, thank you guys for watching the vlog. Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe. I appreciate each and every one of you guys who do watch my vlogs. I hope you liked this $30 Harbor Freight spotlight. I think it's really cool. At night, this is gonna make the perfect guiding light whenever I'm tearing up those roads. Wow, I wish you guys could see how bright this is, because that is crazy. What do you guys want to see on the smart car? Be sure to leave them in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.